To create a Bitcoin wallet on Bybit, start by going to the Bybit website and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing some basic information such as your email address and password. Once you are logged in, click on the Assets tab at the top of the page and select the Bitcoin option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Bitcoin wallet page where you can view your current balance and transaction history. To deposit Bitcoin into your Bybit wallet, click on the Deposit button and you will be given a unique Bitcoin deposit address. You can use this address to send Bitcoin from an external wallet or exchange. Make sure to only send Bitcoin to this address, as sending any other type of cryptocurrency may result in loss of funds. To withdraw Bitcoin from your Bybit wallet, click on the Withdraw button and enter the amount you want to withdraw, as well as the external wallet address you want to send it to. Make sure to double-check the address before confirming the transaction, as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. It is also important to note that Bybit offers two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This can be set up in the account settings page and will require you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password when logging in. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to enable two-factor authentication and to use a strong and unique password for your account. You should also be careful when sending Bitcoin to external wallets, and make sure to only use reputable and trusted exchanges or wallets. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and functional Bitcoin wallet on Bybit and start trading or storing your Bitcoin today. Remember to always prioritize security and be cautious when dealing with cryptocurrency transactions.